Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to add a buy one get one free offer on Shopify, also called BOGO. This type of promotion is one of the most powerful ways to increase sales because customers feel like they're getting extra value without extra cost. And the best part is, you don't need to code anything or hire a developer, you can do it all with an app. I personally use an app called Monk, and the reason I like it is because it gives you a free trial and even discounted pricing for the first month. That means you can start testing it out on your store today without spending anything. I've tried a bunch of free apps before, but honestly they were buggy, difficult to customize, and had very limited features. Monk is stable, smooth to use, and gives you a lot more control. So let's dive in. To get started, either click the link in the description below, that will take you directly to Monk with the best deal, or you can search for Monk free gift on the official Shopify app store. Once you find the app, install it and activate it. I've already done this in my store. After installation, the first thing you need to do is enable the app on your theme. You do this by clicking this button right here and then saving the changes. Don't skip the saving part. It's very important because if you don't save, the app simply won't work. I see a lot of beginners make this mistake, so double check it before moving on. Now let's create your first BOGO campaign. Click on Create Offer and you'll see a list of different types of promotions. There are several really useful ones, and if you want to, you can actually run multiple funnels at the same time. For example, you could have a BOGO offer for t-shirts, a free gift campaign for a different product, and even a volume discount on top of that. It's a great way to get creative and test what converts best in your store. For now, I'll select buy one, get one free. You'll notice there are two main options, auto add and manual select. Auto add means the free product gets automatically placed into the cart, which makes the process super simple for the customer. Manual select means customers get to choose the product they want for free. It really depends on the type of campaign you want to run. If you want zero friction, go with auto add. If you want to give customers a bit more choice, manual select can work better. For this demo, I'll start with auto add, and later in the video, I'll also show you how manual select works. Next, you'll name your offer and click Next. This is where you set up the rules for when the BOGO applies. I'll keep it simple by selecting just one product, but you can also create advanced rules based on collections, tags, or even exclude certain items. This flexibility is great if you want to run special campaigns only on specific products or during limited times. Then we move on to the scheduling. Monk lets you set the time zone and the start and end date. That way, you can plan ahead and have your BOGO offers automatically activate during sales seasons like Black Friday, Christmas, or any big event. Now click Next and choose the product customers will automatically get for free. Here you can also decide if the app should allow multiple gifts if someone buys more items. In most cases, I recommend disabling that, but it depends on your profit margins. Finally, hit save and activate. And that's it. Your first BOGO is live. Let's test it out. As you can see, when I add a t-shirt to my cart, the sweater gets added as a free gift automatically, and the page refreshes on its own. It's seamless, and that's exactly what customers want. Now let me quickly show you the manual select option. The setup process is almost the same, but you'll also need to choose a display page, which I recommend setting as either the product page or the cart page. When you get to the design settings, you'll see multiple layouts to choose from. You can customize colors, buttons, and text, but my recommendation is to keep it consistent with your store's theme. On mobile devices, you can select a different layout if needed, but I'd only change that if your theme requires it. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you now have a fully working BOGO campaign on Shopify. To wrap this up, buy one get one free is one of the most effective marketing tactics to boost your conversion rate and increase your average order value. With Monk, you have a ton of customization options, so you can run creative campaigns that actually fit your brand and don't look like a cheap pop-up. For me, the small price after the free trial has easily paid for itself many times over. Plus, their customer support is genuinely helpful, something you almost never get with free apps. So if you want to try it out, use the link in the description to get started today. Set up your first campaign, test it for free, and see how it performs for your store. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.